Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing well. Children, welcome to the science class. Today, I am going to start last chapter of your second summative assessment syllabus, that is the Earth and its neighbors. This is the first part of the chapter or the first video of the chapter. Now children, if I ask you that what can you see whenever you look at the night sky? I know surely you will tell me that ma'am, we can see moon and a large number of twinkling stars in the night sky. Yes children, you are right. You can see moon as well as a large number of twinkling stars if you look at the night sky. Now stars look like tiny points of light because they are very far away from us. In fact, they are very big. Stars are huge bright balls of burning gases. They give out light and heat. You know it that stars are luminous objects. That means they have their own light as well as they can give out heat. Okay. Now, during the daytime, we can see the sun in the sky. The sun is also a star. The sun appears to be much bigger than the other stars. Why? Because it is closer to the earth than all other stars. The heat and light given out by the sun are essential for life on the earth. Next is children, the solar system. The solar system consists of the sun and all the objects that move around it. The 8 large round objects that move around the sun are called planets. The planets move around the sun in their fixed path. The fixed path of a planet is known as its orbit. Now the orbits are oval in shape. The size of a planet is much smaller than that of a star. A planet doesn't give out heat or light on its own. You know, children, that planets are non-luminous objects. That means they don't have their own light. It shines because it reflects the light of the sun. Our Earth is also a planet. Besides the Earth, there are 7 other planets which move around the sun. The order of the 8 planets, starting from the one which is closest to the sun, are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, then Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay. Children, the first 4 planets are called the inner planets. Okay. And they have solid surfaces. The first 4 planets of solar system, that means children, what are they? They are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. They are called the inner planets. They have solid surfaces. So, let us learn about the inner planets at first. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It is the smallest planet in the solar system and it doesn't have any moon. So children, keep it in mind. Mercury is the closest planet as well as the smallest planet of the solar system. Next children, Venus, which is the brightest and hottest planet. It is almost as big as the Earth. So it is called the Earth's sister planet. Venus can be seen in the sky at the time of dawn and dusk. So it is called the morning or the evening star. Venus doesn't have any moon. So children, keep it in mind that Venus is the brightest and hottest planet, as well as it is known as Earth's sister planet and morning or evening star. Next children, which is I think is the most important planet of solar system, our Earth. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is called the blue planet. Why? As the 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. The Earth is the only known planet where there is life. It has only one moon. So children, keep it in mind that Earth is the only known planet having life and it is called the blue planet. Next children, Mars. Mars has red soil and rocks. So it is called the red planet. It has 2 moons. So children, keep it in mind that Mars is called the red planet. Next children, outer planet. Children, the last 4 planets of solar system, that means what are they? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, they are called the outer planets. These planets are mainly made up of gases. So let us learn about outer planet. At first, Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet. It is best known for its great red spot on its surface, which is nothing but a huge storm. The storm has been raging for years. Now children, Jupiter has 67 moons. So what you will keep in mind? That Jupiter is the largest planet of solar system. Next is Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet of solar system. It is best known for its beautiful rings around it. Saturn has 62 moons. So children, keep it in mind, Saturn is the second largest planet of solar system which has beautiful rings around it. Next, Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. It is the coldest planet and it has 27 moons. So children, keep it in mind that Uranus is the coldest planet of solar system. And next is children, Neptune. Now, Neptune is the furthest planet from the Sun. It has 14 moons. So keep it in mind children, Neptune is the furthest planet from the Sun in solar system. Next is children, moons. Now, moons are heavenly objects that move around the planets. Our Earth has only one moon. It is more than 1/4 the size of the Earth. We can see moon in the time of night in the sky. Okay, it is more than 1/4 the size of the Earth. What do you mean by 1/4? Yes, 1/4 means 1/4. So it is more than 1/4 of the Earth. Like the Earth, some other planets also have their own moons. As I have stated children, Mercury and Venus, they don't have any moon. While Earth has one moon, Mars has 2 moons. Jupiter has 67 moons, Saturn has 62 moons, Uranus has 27 moons and Neptune has 14 moons. Okay children, for today up to this much. In the next video, I will start from the living planet, the Earth. Okay, what you will do now? At first, you will go through the video very well. Then you will read the chapter very carefully. all the points about those planets you have to keep it in mind. Okay, so read the chapter very carefully. Then what you will do? You will do the worksheet that is already posted in Google Classroom. I will meet you all up in the next video. Till then, stay well and thank you.